The alarm clock screams, another Monday morning. You drag yourself out of bed, already dreading the day ahead. The commute is a blur of frustration. You spend the next 8 hours tethered to your desk, counting down the minutes until you can escape. Sound familiar? This is the reality for millions of people stuck in the soul-crushing monotony of the 9-to-5 grind. The endless cycle of alarm clocks, commutes, and unfulfilling work can leave you feeling drained, uninspired, and yearning for more. But there's another way. What if you could escape the confines of a traditional job and create a life of freedom and purpose? Imagine setting your own hours, being your own boss, and pursuing your passions from the comfort of your own home. It's time to break free from the shackles of the 9-to-5 and design a life you love. It's time to explore the exciting world of working from home and unlock your true earning potential. Deep down, you know you're destined for something greater. That nagging feeling of dissatisfaction is a sign, a call to action to pursue a life of purpose and fulfillment. You crave flexibility, the freedom to set your own schedule and spend more time with loved ones. You long for autonomy, the power to make your own decisions and be in control of your destiny. And you desire the satisfaction of building something meaningful, something that reflects your passions and talents. Working from home offers the perfect solution. It empowers you to take control of your life and create a career that aligns with your values and aspirations. No more answering to a demanding boss or feeling trapped in a job that drains your energy. It's time to listen to that inner voice telling you to break free. Embrace the possibility of a life filled with purpose, flexibility, and financial abundance. The path to wealth and fulfillment starts at home. The key to building a successful home-based business lies in identifying your passions and transforming them into profitable ventures. What sets your soul on fire? What do you love to do so much that you do it for free? Perhaps you have a knack for crafting stunning jewelry, a talent for writing captivating content, or a passion for coaching others to achieve their goals. Whatever your passion, there's a way to monetize it in the online world. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. The internet has created endless opportunities for entrepreneurs to share their skills and expertise with a global audience. From online courses and digital products to freelance services and e-commerce stores, the possibilities are limitless. Remember, your passion is your fuel. It's what will keep you motivated and inspired as you navigate the challenges and triumphs of entrepreneurship. So, take the time to identify your strengths, explore your interests, and uncover the business idea that ignites your soul. Now that you've identified your passion, it's time to lay the groundwork for your home-based empire. This involves conducting thorough market research, crafting a solid business plan, and creating a dedicated workspace that fosters productivity and creativity. Begin by researching your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs and pain points? What solutions can you offer that they're willing to pay for? Thorough market research will help you validate your business idea and identify your ideal customer. Next, create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. This will serve as your roadmap to success, guiding you as you navigate the exciting world of entrepreneurship. Finally, design a dedicated home office that inspires productivity and creativity. Choose a quiet space with ample natural light. Invest in ergonomic furniture and personalize it with items that bring you joy. Remember, your home office is your sanctuary, a place where you can focus on building your dreams. Mastering time, the entrepreneur's secret weapon. Managing time effectively is a big challenge when working from home. It's easy to get sidetracked by distractions and procrastination. Establish a consistent routine and stick to it. Set clear boundaries between work and personal life. Use time management techniques like the Eisenhower matrix. Focus on high-impact activities. Delegate tasks to free up your time. Focus on activities that generate the most revenue. Time is your most valuable asset. Mastering time management unlocks productivity and focus. Section 6. Digital domination. Reaching the world from your laptop. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential. The internet allows entrepreneurs to reach a global audience from home. Building a professional website is crucial for credibility. Social media platforms offer powerful tools for connecting with customers. SEO is critical for improving search engine rankings. The internet is your oyster. Success stories. From cubicle dwellers to home-based heroes. Countless individuals have escaped the 9-to-5 grind and built fulfilling careers from home. Their stories show the transformative power of entrepreneurship. Meet Sarah, a former accountant who turned her passion for baking into a thriving online bakery. Or John, a former lawyer now running a successful online coaching business. These are just a few examples of countless success stories. Section 8. The time is now. Your journey to freedom starts today. The allure of working from home, of being your own boss and charting your own course is undeniable. But the path to freedom requires courage, commitment, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Take that first step, no matter how small. Start researching your passions, brainstorming business ideas, or setting up your home office. Remember, success is not an overnight phenomenon. It's a journey filled with challenges and triumphs. But with perseverance, determination, and a belief in yourself, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The world of work is changing, and the traditional 9-to-5 is becoming increasingly obsolete. Now is the time to embrace the future of work and create a life of freedom, purpose, and financial abundance. Section 9. Share your story. Inspire others to break free. As you embark on this exciting journey, remember that you're not alone. Countless others are seeking to escape the 9-to-5 and create a better life for themselves. Share your story, your struggles, and your triumphs. Inspire others to break free from the shackles of the traditional job market and pursue their dreams. By supporting and encouraging one another, we can create a movement of empowered individuals who are building businesses, creating jobs, and designing lives filled with purpose and passion. The future is in our hands. Let's create a world where work is no longer a chore, but a fulfilling expression of our talents and passions. Let's build a world where everyone has the opportunity to achieve financial freedom and live life on their own terms. The journey starts now. Are you ready to break free?